Would you like to be respected by everyone you meet? Do you want to learn how to make anyone respect you instantly? It's no secret that one of the keys to success in life is earning respect. But how do you do it? And more importantly, how do you make sure people always respect you? According to science, there are proven things you can do to ensure that people always give you the respect you deserve. After watching this video, you will learn what those 11 things are and how you can use them to your advantage. Number 1. Speak less, listen more. Make sure you spend the time to attentively hear what others have to say if you want respect. It shows that you value someone's views and feelings when you pay close attention to what they have to say. People appreciate being heard and understood because it promotes a sense of validation and empathy. This can help people see you as someone who genuinely cares about their viewpoint. You can learn about other people's opinions, thoughts, and emotions by concentrating on listening. You can answer more attentively and improve your response as a result of this insight. This flexibility might be interpreted as a sign of respect for other points of view. Effective leadership is correlated with active listening. Leaders that pay close attention to what their team has to say are frequently seen as approachable, wise, and respectful of their team's contributions. The capacity to listen was rated as the most important quality for a leader in a research of more than 100 CEOs. Speaking less and listening more also decreases the likelihood of mistakenly expressing something that could cause conflict or offense. You are also less likely to make fast judgments or assumptions about other people. This non-judgmental and self-controlled attitude can promote mutual respect and trust. Number 2. Hold the reins on your feelings. Another important reality is that you must learn to control your emotions. Any reputable leader will tell you that it is among the most important qualities when it comes to gaining respect. People with strong emotional intelligence are frequently good at handling problems without allowing emotions to take over them. People are more likely to respect your abilities to find solutions and maintain a level-headed approach when you can handle arguments calmly and sensibly. You'll demonstrate a level of professionalism and composure, especially when controlling your emotions in challenging or high-pressure situations. It means not overreacting or getting defensive when someone criticizes you. Number 3. Encourage inclusive thinking. Being open-minded entails being prepared to consider novel concepts and points of view, even when they differ from your own. Many individuals find this difficult, yet it's crucial if you want to be respected. When you treat people with respect, regardless of how differently their opinions are from your own, you create an environment of inclusivity. Others will appreciate you more because they will feel listened and valued. It means being able to have an objective perspective and see both sides of every issue. It means being flexible and adaptable instead of being set in your ways. You'll also gain a reputation for being a friendly and impartial individual. These qualities raise your status in the eyes of others. Number 4. Stop over-apologizing. People are usually adept at discerning between genuine and insincere apologies, underscoring the importance of offering apologies only when they hold true meaning. However, there is a significant distinction between the two. An insincere apology is akin to an attempt to salvage your image after being caught in the wrong. It lacks a heartfelt sentiment. Conversely, a genuine apology emanates from a place of true remorse for your actions. It signifies acknowledging your misstep and striving to rectify it. Moreover, an excess of apologies can inadvertently imply imposing on others time or being burdensome. Exercising discretion in when to apologize showcases well-defined personal boundaries and a keen understanding of the occasions warranting an apology. Conversely, over-apologizing could portray vulnerability and insecurity. By reserving apologies for situations that genuinely call for them, their authenticity is heightened. This authenticity is often respected and appreciated. Number 5. Speak your mind. When you didn't agree with someone but stayed quiet to avoid making a fuss. We've all been there, right? Speaking up when you disagree actually shows that you're confident. It means you're not afraid to share your thoughts, even if they're different. It's like saying, "Hey, I have my own ideas, and I'm not afraid to say them." This also shows that you're honest and have strong principles. If you never say anything when you disagree, others might think you're okay with everything they're saying. They might even assume you agree, even if you don't. People tend to like it when you're honest about how you feel, even if it's not the popular opinion. Speaking up also shows you're good at thinking things through. Others might think it's cool that you can look at situations from different angles and share your thoughts. But remember, how you say it matters too. Being a good listener and willing to have thoughtful discussions along with speaking up can make people respect you and your opinions even more. Number 6. Make clear boundaries. Don't be afraid to speak up if someone crosses your limits. Many people find this tough, but it's important to get respect. You need to be clear about what's okay and not okay for you. Sometimes people don't even realize they're bothering you. When you explain your limits, you show you value yourself and what you need. It also stops bad feelings or others using you. Psychologically, the social learning theory suggests that people often learn from watching how others act, like a copycat thing. When you're clear about your needs, it shows you're confident. As it shows you're confident in expressing your needs, communication becomes clear and people will appreciate knowing where they stand with you, leading to respect for your predictability. Please rephrase this one in a simple way. Number 7. Stop being too good all the time. Always being nice can sometimes make you look unsure and not very strong. Being nice all the time doesn't automatically make people respect you. Sometimes it has the opposite effect. People can tell when someone is trying too hard to make them happy and isn't standing up for themselves. Instead of getting respect, you might end up being taken advantage of. But this doesn't mean you have to be mean to everyone. It's about finding the right balance between being kind and also making sure you take care of yourself. Sometimes, you might need to say no or show you disagree to earn respect. Don't always prioritize others over yourself. It's okay to stand up for what you need. You should know the difference between being helpful and being walked all over. One leads to respect, while the other can lead to people using you. Number 8. Self-respect comes first. If you want others to respect you, start by respecting yourself. It's like showing them how you deserve to be treated. People notice how you act and the choices you make. When you treat yourself well, others are more likely to do the same. Our brains have special cells called mirror neurons that help us understand how others feel. When you take care of yourself, it's like a signal to others that you value yourself. This can make them feel empathetic and respectful towards you. Sometimes, people see in you what they feel inside. When you have self-respect, others might see you as someone who deserves respect too. It can even make you feel better about yourself, and that confidence makes others think highly of you. Studies have even found that when you take care of yourself, you feel better in your mind and heart. When you're happy inside, others tend to admire and respect you more. Number 9. Give respect to earn respect. To gain respect from others, show them respect first. It's that simple. Treat others as you wish to be treated. The golden rule suggests treating others how you'd like to be treated. When you show respect, you set a positive example, potentially leading to mutual respect. By doing so, they'll likely respect you in return. In professional settings, respecting colleagues, superiors, and subordinates shows professionalism and a strong work ethic, often resulting in increased respect from peers. A respectful approach can also ease conflicts and aid in resolving them, demonstrating commitment to maintaining respect, even in tough situations, tends to earn respect for your conflict resolution skills. However, remember, not everyone reciprocates the same way. People have different perspectives and behaviors, and some may not respond with equal respect. Number 10. Your physical appearance. When we talk about physical appearance, we're not talking about things you can't control, like your height, skin color, or body parts. We're talking about things you can control, like how you dress and take care of yourself. Your physical appearance is important because it is one of the first things people notice about you. It can have a huge impact on whether or not they respect you. I know, this seems a little unfair, but it is true. In general, people tend to respect themselves and those who care about their appearance. They consider them more reliable and trustworthy, and they are more likely to listen. A simple change in your physical appearance can make a big difference in how people see you and whether or not they respect you. Take care of your hygiene and dress in a way that makes you feel good about yourself. It goes a long way in how people perceive you. Number 11. Be valuable. It holds significance to enrich the lives of others, contributing positively to the world around you. This involves being the kind of person who enhances situations rather than worsening them. By embodying the essence of adding genuine value to people's lives, you can rapidly garner respect. Creating value often establishes a cycle of reciprocity. Assisting others genuinely can evoke a sense of reciprocity or gratitude, fostering a shared feeling of respect and goodwill. Moreover, when your actions catalyze positive changes or enhancements in someone's life, they are likely to attribute these improvements to your dedicated efforts. This acknowledgement can result in heightened respect for your capability to effect meaningful change. Always remain attentive to opportunities for improvement, seeking ways to simplify situations and offer support. Embrace a helpful and supportive approach, as opposed to a destructive or pessimistic one. This does not entail being a people pleaser, but rather being genuinely helpful without compromising your authenticity. Also, keeping promises add values to other people's lives as well. It builds trust. When you consistently deliver on your commitments, others see you as reliable and trustworthy. Reliability is a trait that garners respect. When you fulfill your promises, you demonstrate reliability. Consistently keeping promises shows consistency in your behavior. People appreciate knowing what to expect from you, which can contribute to higher respect.